Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2026 code? This code means the intake manifold runner position sensor is not operating within the expected range or performance set by the ECU. If ignored, it can cause poor engine breathing, reduced performance, and lower fuel efficiency. P2026 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance. In simple terms, the ECU is not getting the correct signal from the intake manifold runner sensor that controls airflow inside the intake manifold. This issue is common in modern vehicles with variable intake manifold runner systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, rough acceleration, poor fuel economy, and sometimes hesitation during throttle input. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner position sensor is located on the intake manifold, usually attached to the runner control actuator or flap mechanism on top or side of the engine. The intake manifold itself is mounted above the engine cylinder head and connected to the throttle body. The runner control actuator and linkage are also fixed directly on the intake manifold assembly. The wiring harness for the sensor runs from the intake manifold area to the ECU in the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and checking intake runner position values using an OBD2 scanner. Then inspect the intake manifold runner actuator and linkage for sticking or carbon buildup. After that, check the sensor wiring and connector for damage, loose connection, or corrosion. Clean excessive carbon deposits inside the intake manifold if present. If the sensor signal is out of range or inconsistent, replacement of the intake manifold runner position sensor or actuator may be required. Finally, repair faulty wiring, clean or replace the actuator if stuck, replace the defective sensor if needed, clear the code, and perform a road test. Fixing P2026 on time will restore proper airflow control, engine performance, and fuel efficiency.